Hi, do you want to learn English for American life? Let's go.
Today is a sunny day. We are going to the park.
Yes, I love the park. Swings, slides. Me too. I want to run and play.
Let's go, family. Fun day at the park.
Look at this beautiful park.
Wow, I see swings.
And a seesaw. Let's go.
Yay, I want the sandbox.
We'll play on everything.
Race you there.
Wow, look at this beautiful park.
Yes, so many trees and flowers.
I see the playground. Can we go, please?
Of course.
Let's go play.
Yes. First, let's find a good spot for our picnic.
Look, a big tree with shade. Let's sit there.
All right, let's spread this out.
Ready? On 3.
Wow, it's so big.
Almost there. Let's put the blanket here.
Good idea. This is a nice spot.
I want to sit. My legs are tired.
Okay, sweetie, sit and rest.
I will get the food from the basket.
What did you bring? Hungry.
Sandwiches, apples, juice, and cookies.
Cookies. Cookie.
First, eat a sandwich, then cookie. This is the perfect spot for a picnic. It really is so peaceful.
This apple is so crunchy. Can after you finish your sandwich, sweetie.
This sandwich is delicious.
Can I have juice, please? Can I have the juice box, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Yay! Thank you! Thank you, Mom. I ate my sandwich! Now, Cookie?
Okay. Here is your cookie. You're welcome, buddy. Enjoy it.
It's so good! I can see that. Yay! Thank you, Daddy!
Wow, look, the playground.
I want the swings! All right, let's go play. Race you there.
Okay, kids, time to play.
I want to go on the swing first. I want the slide. The big red slide.
Okay, Daddy will push Emma on the swing. I will watch Leo on the slide.
Sounds like
Okay, have fun.
Wait, higher, Daddy.
Ready to go higher, buddy?
Yes, push me, Dad.
Hold on tight.
Well, this is fun.
One more big push.
Again.
Ready, Emma? Let's go higher and higher.
Yes, Daddy. Whee! This is so fun.
That's it, sweetie. Hold on tight.
I am, Mommy. Almost there.
You're doing great.
I made it to the top.
Yay! Ready to slide down? Be careful, Leo. Hold the rails.
Okay, Mom, I'm holding them.
That's it. You're doing great.
Almost there. I did it. Look at me, Mom. I see you, sweetie. You're doing great.
Good job. Now slide down slowly. That's it. Nice and easy. Great job, sweetie.
Whee! Hurrah!
I've got you, sweetie.
That was so fun, Mommy.
You were so brave.
That was awesome. Again.
Okay. One more time.
Whee! This is so fun.
Now hold on tight, buddy.
You two are having a blast.
Higher, faster.
Let's play on the seesaw together.
Up and down, up down, up and down, man. Down, and through. I am going up. Now
is so much fun. Family time is the best.
I'm gonna get you!
No, you won't. This is so much fun.
I'm going to catch you, Emma!
No, Daddy, you can't catch me.
I will catch Leo. Run, Leo, run.
You can't get me. Dad, catch me.
Gotcha, buddy! You're getting so big!
I love you, Dad.
Gotcha! I caught you!
Okay, you win, Daddy. Okay, you win, Daddy. Stop, Mom, stop. I am laughing too much. Okay.
I love your laugh, Leo.
Look what I have! Wow! Ready to fly?
Yes, let's go.
Look what I brought! A kite!
Wow, a kite. Can we fly it? Yes, let's fly the kite.
Okay, watch how Daddy does it. Here we go!
Look, the kite is flying. It's so high, like a bird.
Can you hold the string, Emma?
Yes, I am flying the kite.
Good job, Emma. Don't let go.
I won't, Dad.
You are amazing. Keep practicing English.
All right, team, let's pack up.
I'm on it. This was fun.
I'll get the kite.
Good work, buddy. It's getting late. Time to go home.
But I don't want to go. The park is so fun. Me neither. I love the park.
We can come again next weekend. I promise.
Really? Promise?
Yes, I promise. Promise. Pinky promise.
Yay! Next weekend again.
Let's go, family. Time to go home.
What a great day. It was perfect, sweetie.
Let's come back soon.
Thank you for coming to the park with us.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you at the park.
Subscribe for more fun English videos.